Okay folks, another wave of official Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 renders leaked, showing the two upcoming mid-range Samsung phones from almost every angle imaginable. Also, the launch date has finally been revealed. Each device is shown in its 4 color options, including the usual black and white, as well as a vibrant green, purple and a gradient silver for the Galaxy A34 that resembles the aura glow color options offered by the old Galaxy Note 10 a few years ago. Both phones follow Samsung's design language for 2023, featuring flat displays and back panels, slightly curved edges, and no camera contour cutouts. The Galaxy A54 has an Infinity O display cutout for the selfie camera, whereas the Galaxy A34 has an Infinity U cutout. Otherwise, both phones look very similar. There might be a wider specs gap between the two phones this year, with the Galaxy A34 supposedly featuring a MediaTek MT6877V chipset and the Galaxy A54 using an Exynos 1380 chipset. Both upcoming phones will run Android 13-based One UI 5.1 out of the box and could get 4 major Android OS updates. Tipster OnLeaks has revealed that Samsung may announce the Galaxy A34 5G and the Galaxy A54 5G on March 15. He mentioned that he received this information from a reliable source, but the leaker isn't ready to vouch for it 100%, so take this information with a pinch of salt. However, when you think of it, the South Korean firm can launch its new Galaxy A series smartphones this month, as it is done launching its flagship phones and even the lower-end Galaxy A14 and Galaxy A14 5G phones. Samsung has continued to improve its smartwatches year after year. 2 years ago, the company switched from Tizen to Wear OS 3. However, with the Galaxy Watch 4, the battery life left a little to be desired. Next year, the company improved the battery life with the Galaxy Watch 5 and will continue doing that next year. The Galaxy Watch 6 battery for the 40mm version has been spotted by Galaxy Club on Safety Careers website. It carries model number EBBR935ABY and has an advertised capacity of 300 mAh. In comparison, the 40mm version of the Galaxy Watch 5 has a 284 mAh battery. That's a 5% bigger capacity, but it's an increase in capacity nonetheless. If Samsung brings a more power-efficient display and chips, it could still offer improved battery life. There will most probably also be a Pro version of the Galaxy Watch 6 with an even bigger battery capacity, leading to longer battery life. While not much is known about the Galaxy Watch 6, it is rumored that Samsung will go back to the curved screen design that we saw with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The smartwatch could also bring a newer version of One UI for Watch, improved activity and health tracking, and longer battery life. Samsung has announced the first addition to its audio lineup for 2023 in the form of a portable speaker boasting an internal battery. It's called the Sound Tower MX ST45B. It can deliver up to 160 watts RMS, and thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, it can connect to TVs and up to 2 smartphones simultaneously, which means it's great for parties. The Sound Tower MX ST45B battery lasts up to 12 hours on a single charge, but when it's battery powered rather than plugged into an energy source, the speaker's energy output is limited to 80 watts RMS as opposed to 160. Multi-connection Bluetooth is a neat party trick, and so are the embedded LED lights that match the music's tempo. And if you are brave enough, you can sync up to 10 sound towers for a super loud party. Speaking of parties, the Sound Tower MX ST45B also has an IPX5 water resistance rating. In theory, this should protect it against low-pressure jets of water. In practice, the IPX5 rating should provide resistance against accidental spills and rainy weather. After all, it's a portable speaker with up to 12 hours of battery life on a single charge, and for good reason. Samsung believes that people may want to use it indoors and outdoors. As far as portability goes, the Sound Tower MX ST45B measures 281 by 562 by 556 mm and weighs 8 kg. It has a 3.5 mm input and ships with a remote, but lacks optical input and NFC connectivity. The speaker also supports USB music playback on AAC, WAV, FLAC and MP3 formats. For the time being, the Sound Tower MX ST45B seems to be available at Samsung's online shop only in Brazil for about $579. It could soon arrive in more markets. Brazilian customers buying the Sound Tower before March 15th get a 6-month Spotify premium subscription for free. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.